Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello. Hey.
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 Okay. We are going to get food.
It's really good. It's really yummy.
It's our last day, or my last day. We're so sad.
Please don't leave me, because I'm gonna be really depressed all by myself. I don't want you to go, please.
I know. Going out the roof. Hopping out the roof. Do you hear me talking to myself?
No, but you just like came from nowhere with your camera.
It won't like focus really on the colors.
Anyways, look at, you're posting this on Instagram or I'm never talking to you again. Liv. Holy shit, can you look at it?
We're just chilling. Hey guys, so this is the start of Liv's first week of class vlog.
And yours.
Oh,
Can we vlog together?
Yeah, let's do it.
You vlog, I'll edit it.
There's the moon and our lovely freeway wall. Ah, where's the focus? It is 70-something degrees. I'm gonna go to Abbot Kinney, I guess, because I don't know what else to do with myself. I have a class in an hour, so I really don't even have time to do this, but I need to get outside because it is so freaking pretty out. It's beautiful. As always, there's random people screaming, just because people are chaotic here. I love this little mural over here. It's really cute. This camera is actually very, very clear.
Yeah, almost at the time they opened.
I want that jacket. It's like a good photo backdrop. I think that's awesome.
Awkward in videos. I mean, in you. Let me move. Okay.
If I shave my leg there,
Like, the people need to hear this. This is so funny.
Run away as fast as you can. Alright, bye.
Bye. Okay, it's a video, not a photo. Just so you guys
That's fine. It'll be a fun video.
I didn't want to make everyone smile.
Yay!
Hey yo, Bisco!
Alright.
This shit is crazy. This shit is off the hook. Who's a cop? Who's a medic? Who's a townsperson? We'll never know.
I really said last round.
Did you?
I think it's Carson. Why would I fucking go and kill her? That makes no sense. Oh my god. It's Irvin. I had voted up for
Gwen has been whipping this camera around like she's gonna make me sick.
I knew it was you two. I had no idea it was him. Coco, do you have a heart on?
Let him go. Let him go.
Do you have a heart on?
Soccer, Saturday here, Sunday your place. Fire.
I'm just gonna lie, I'm straight up vibing. Like, straight vibing. Everything's great. Just gotta acknowledge that. I read this quote somewhere, someone posted about it that said like, appreciate things for the way they are, not the way you feel like they're supposed to be, or like the way your life is going, not the way you feel like it should be going. And I feel like that's especially helpful with school going back online, because it's like, we just have to accept the way things are and be happy and not always be thinking about how it could be, about what school would be like if we were in person and all these things, and instead just think, this is where we're at and enjoy it, because life is short, man. That's my spiel. We're at Bluey's in Santa Monica. We got some chagachinos. How's yours? Good. It's good. You guys first have to tell me what day it is today.
Today is Connor's birthday. January 15th.
I think it'll be a fun, good time.
Yeah, it's gonna be
We have a packed full day today, so.
We really do. So,
Packed full, not work.
that's not a word.
It's okay. Sometimes
It's
I say
okay.
things that aren't words, and I think you should just go with it. And
What's up, vlog? Hey, vlog. My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. This is Sam, and you're watching. Disney Channel. Bum, 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 bum. That's my parents are. Wait, like that? That was a good one, eh?
Colby, I have one.
Do you mind if I Bolbart?
I fucked up.
Bolbart is a noun. Bolbart is a verb. Bolbart can be an adjective.
Bolbart?
What are your pronouns? You can be a Bolbart if you want. I bold pronouns. Don't say that. Don't say that. Oh my god.
Life is simple.
I just want to buy my bros. Make money.
You just vibe with the squad.
Race.
Isn't life simple?
Have vibes. I was gonna.
That's beautiful, Colby.
Always beautiful. Just gotta vibe with the squad. Oh,
You know.
Matt, I love you.
Smoke weed. Birthday to you. Hello, Logan.
Oh no. Not looking good. Oh no. We got a thumbs up.
Hi guys, we are here at Uncle Mark's and we are so excited for the first week back at school. Uncle
How are you feeling? Pretty good.
Hey, what's Gwints? You guys took a minute to get here, but now we're rolling. We're rolling.
Oh. Okay, are you okay?
I'm all good.